Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss our future videos. Let's explore the word find. Find means to discover or locate something that was previously unknown or lost. You can use find when searching for or discovering something that was previously unknown, lost, or misplaced. For example, when looking for a lost item, uncovering information, or discovering a new place, you would use find to describe the action of locating. In a sentence, you could say, "She was able to find her keys in the coat pocket after searching for them for hours." Now, repeat after me. Find. Find. Now, let's practice some phrases. Repeat after me. Can you help me find my phone?
Sure, let's check the living room first.
I need to find a new apartment.
I can help you look for listings online.
Have you found the missing book?
Yes, it was on the top shelf.
I can't find my glasses.
Have you checked the bathroom?
We need to find a solution to this problem.
Let's brainstorm some ideas.
Did you find the address?
Yes, it's on this map.
I hope we can find a good restaurant for dinner.
I'll look up some reviews online.
I need to find a new job.
Have you updated your resume?
We should find a time to meet up.
How about Saturday afternoon?
I can't find my keys anywhere.
Check your pockets again.
I found a great deal on flights.
That's fantastic. Where are you going?
I need to find a birthday present for my sister.
Let's go shopping this weekend.
She's trying to find the perfect wedding dress.
I heard there's a boutique downtown.
Can you find out what time the movie starts?
I'll check the movie theater's website.
We need to find a way to save money.
Let's make a budget and stick to it.
I found a new hobby.
What is it?
He's trying to find his place in the world.
It can be a journey of self-discovery.
I hope we can find a compromise.
We'll work on it together.
I found the perfect spot for a picnic.
Where is it?
Did you find what you were looking for?
Yes, thank you for your help.
And that's it for today's video. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring, learning, and growing. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy learning.